Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do a half up, half down style with the ponytail at the top and the sewing in the back. So first you just want to section off the hair for where you want your ponytail to be, and then you want to make sure you get that out of your way. And then you're also going to section off where you want the leave out to be. That's going to cover that top track of the sewing, and then just braid that out of your way as well. Okay, so I want to start braiding, and you want to do 2 anchor braids going down on each side so that you can have something to sew onto. You can kind of do whatever braiding pattern you want, but this is like quick and easy. So you have 2 going down on each side, and then in the middle you can just do them going straight down and attach them at the bottom. Then I'm going to attach that bottom one so I can have an anchor braid, and I just put the ends in with a crochet needle, and of course I'm using a net. I use a net for any type of sewing. It just allows you a better foundation and it protects the hair. So I'm going to be using some body wave here from Boss Xtend. I believe the longest length was like 22. And you just want to begin sewing from the bottom. And you can use the flip over method all the way up until the leave out starts. And then I'm going to show you guys what to do once you get closer and closer to that leave out. But for now, we're just going to sew it back and forth and flipping it over if your client doesn't want you to cut the wefts. And my tracks are also doubled. So we're getting closer and closer to that leave out, and instead of me going all the way to the end sewing, you're just going to stop right before that beginning of the end braid, and you're basically going to start your flip over method just in the center. So we're not going all the way to the end of the braid, we're just going to right where it starts, and then we're going to flip over like normal until you get to the top, and you're going to do that on each side. Don't go all the way to the end of the braid, okay? Don't go all the way to the end of the braid. I'm gonna show y'all what to do. Trust me. See how I'm still not going to the end of the braid? I'm just flipping it over right there before the braid starts. Because you want to save that U shape at the top. That's going to be where the last track goes. So right now you're just filling up the middle space.
On the beat.
So this is the very last track, and being that you didn't go all the way to the end, you have just a nice U shape left at the top. So you just want to make sure that last top track is nice and neat and flat, because you don't want the back to be feeling bulky. So basically this last track just covers everything that you just did. And you're just going around in the U shape. See that? And you're going to end it right there at the end. And make sure that is super tight and secure. See how it's so seamless? You don't see any tracks. Me and my client was having a good conversation, y'all. Okay, so the sewing is all complete. Now, for some reason, I don't have any footage of me putting her hair in a ponytail, but I just flat ironed it and I sprayed it with Got2b spray because her hair doesn't need any gel or anything like that. And then I put it in a ponytail and I braided it. And she specifically said that she didn't want her ponytail at the top of her head, so that's why the ponytail is set a little bit further back than you guys normally see this style. She didn't want it at the very top of her head, like a cone. And I'm just sewing the hair around the ponytail. Now, it's so many ways that you can do this. If it was pack hair, I probably would have glued it around. But I'm sewing it around because I know she wants to use this hair again. So I'm just starting from the bottom and doing an invisible ponytail. Depending on the length of your client's hair, there's different ways that you can do this. Looking back, I probably didn't even need to use a braid because her hair is literally the same texture as the bundles. So I could have just left her hair out in the middle, but it's more secure this way. And I'm just sewing all the way to the top. So now I'm just taking some hair from the bottom of the ponytail, and that is the strip that we're going to use to wrap around it so that you don't see the wefts. And I'm going to use Got2b spray and Got2b gel, and that is going to keep that band tight and secure around there, because really you can't use bobby pins. So this is just a hack to keep that band nice and tight. And I just wrap it and I put a little Got2b gel, wrap it again. Don't use too much because you don't want it to look white, but you could always use alcohol at the end, but just a little bit so it's secure. And spray it down and then just blow dry it, and that thing isn't going anywhere, trust me. I'm just getting that hair out my way and I'm about to style it. It looked so cute all straight once I blended her leave out, but she wanted wand curls, so we wand curled it. Make sure you use heat protectant, you guys, and just wand curl or style it to your client's preference. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Super cute style, super quick. And with the sewing, your client could come back, keep the sewing in the back, and you can just redo the ponytail if it needs to be redone. So it's a really easy style and you can keep it for a while. Now I'm just getting her edges together. I didn't leave much baby hair out because she didn't really have much baby hair. Literally all her hair is long. So whatever just naturally stayed out, I just whipped it up a little bit, water whipped it a little bit. And that's all there is to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know down below what other types of styles you guys would like to see me try. And I will talk to you guys later. Mwah.
Oh, I love the curls. You can put it in a bun so you don't do the stuff. Thank you. I love it. Yeah, this stuff is popping. I like this a lot. I really, really do.